Iron City, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Here to watch the Dodger game. Got some time to kill, so let's check this out. It's 5:30. The game starts at 6:40. But yeah, that's kind of late, isn't it? Like batting practice is over. Only season ticket holders get to walk in first, I guess. So today, Wednesday, they have dollar dogs. Oh, they're right here too. Somebody said it was only the other section over there, back there by the outfield. All right. It's like the size of a dollar bill, kind of. But for $1, I got 3. North Carolina, 49th state. I have never been. Oh, let's get some barbecue. Going to the pit. I got the brisket, so the ribs, like 7. Right, Christie Street, 79. They have a kind of like a small bowl for $5.50, or the big one is $8. But you can get straight walk over here. But you could get a big one for $8. It's huge. It's well served too. Like, I didn't even finish it. It's pork and chicken. I forgot, it was so good, I just finished it. Forgot to take a video or photo. But yeah, that's the name of that street. On Christie and Hester. Brooklyn Bridge. That's the way the World Trade Center used to look like. And the fountain. Got Chinatown on this side, and then right across the street, Little Italy. And of course you got all the fake watches and the fake purses salving people. Big trouble. Oh, I can't even see it. Welcome to Chinatown. Curry mango smoothie. Welcome to Central Park. Yankee Stadium. to Yankee Stadium. Today, Dodgers versus the Yankees. Got a hot Italian dog. We just passed by Halal Guys. We got burgers, fries. Stadium nachos. Some more alcohol. $14.99 a beer, surprisingly, because everybody has it for like 22 bucks. So if you're on the 100 levels, good luck finding your, there's no signs except for, okay, we found one. But there's no like 136 this way or keep walking for da-da-da. Cheese bread and meatballs. Damn. Dodgers won, so now you gotta go to Billy's.
So pretty.
In case you didn't see, there's a pink dog over there. Coney Island. A bunch of games on there. Carnies. Oh! Did you see the Ferris wheel? It's not a regular Ferris wheel, it's like a roller coaster Ferris wheel. It's crazy. And the beach is down there. So Coney Island is over there, but if you come to the side street, you get all the Mexican flavors. You got elotes right there, Mexican food, churros, fresas con crema. Yeah. You got go-kart racing, you got miniature golf, and it goes on and on and on. Bam, bam, ba-da-da-da-dam. The hockey way. Oh, shit.
Yes, don't worry. Josh! This is yours, young lady. You got a bacon and cheese.
Pancake ready?
I guess so. Wow.
Now we wrap it
I'm
up.
gonna take it back home to LA.
Result is you can get your bath.
Never, never, never. Alright, and I'm looking for the good food. These chicken tenders are fucking huge. But I don't want no burgers. What I found. Yeah, they look fresher than the ones that we had. They look tiny, but they have a Impossible dog. I think I should try one. $5. That bratwurst looks good. Bratwurst is $9. So I got the Impossible. It looks pale. Super pale. Just took a bite. Kind of tastes like a Vienna, you know, the little sausages in the can. But veggie. What we got? Pizza.
Happy on the GoPro?
Oh yeah. Found the foot long. Like section 115. Oh yeah. Yup. I've never seen a 16 ounce for $5 anywhere. Except for here. Anyway. Anyway, here's the dog. Foot long. Try it. Yep. It was 13 bucks. Something like that.